I'm Dr. Jennifer Thomas, Chief Psychologist at Teen Health Connection. In this country and around the world, we see differences in health outcomes and life experiences, disparities that can be scientifically predicted just by someone's race and ethnicity. Access to care, supports, and environments that understand and respond to these differences can have positive impacts on health outcomes. To illustrate these differences in life experiences, the following vignettes include discussion of racism and violence, which might be especially troubling for some viewers. After watching these vignettes, please call our behavioral health triage clinicians at 704-381-8379 if you would like to learn more about services and programs at Teen Health Connection or in the community.
I was there. The world was there. We were all there when the world got sick and we had to stay home. For some of us, it was great. But for others, it was kind of hard. It's been 2 years since then, and things have not gotten much better. I am tired. At that time, I was so scared to leave my house in fear for my safety. That day, May 25th, 2020, George Floyd died. The day people got to see what Black people face, the day that I knew that the color of my skin could be valued as dangerous. That day, May 25th, 2020, people got to see the fear that Black people faced was the day George Floyd died.
My dad didn't want to say it, but he was scared. I knew he was, and I was terrified, but I was alone. I couldn't talk to my friends because they wouldn't understand the fear I had because they don't look like me. I'm still terrified because the world saw that recording. We heard a man take his last breath. We heard a man call up for his mother. We saw a man die. And for what? Nothing? That's not all. I watch as people try to justify his murder. A year later, March 16, 2021, 8 Asian people were killed. And their killer, the way he viewed Asian Americans was disgusting and flawed. Even after that, the same mentality didn't stop. I couldn't talk to my dad because he wouldn't understand, even though he was willing to listen. And my friends still didn't look the way I did, so once again, I was alone.
I'm still scared. I'm tired of this fear. This fear that the way I look can be the reason I lose my life. Because even though the evidence in the videos were there, that doesn't stop people from saying there was an issue with their deaths, justifying their murders. It's been 1 year since the Atlanta shootings, 2 since George Floyd's death, and not much has changed. Not for me, not for the world. We're still here. The world still needs change, still needs growth, because we can all agree that what Black people and Asian people face was and is scary, but if anything, it feels like nothing has changed. I still don't have friends that look like me, and I still don't want to talk to them about it because I know they don't understand. I'm still alone.
The 3 leading causes of death for CMS teenagers are accidents, suicide, and homicides. If you are a Black male teen, that order is reversed. Race is a sensitive topic. I swear I see it every day on TV, in the media, heck, on the street, my street. Another dead Black teen. People try to say that all lives matter, but it doesn't change. The fact that life for a minority differs greatly, the fact that Joey more likely to get a higher paying job than me, the fact that I'm statistically more prison than college bound. I'm more likely to be falsely convicted of a felony than more likely to live in poverty than the fact that we, the minorities, are more likely to keep the prisons at 60% capacity. The fact that you and me live very different realities, the fact that I'm an endangered species. Black teens who live to see 18, I'm in danger. I feel no safety, not even in my own community, because if I am killed, it's most likely by somebody who looks just like me. I can be just another statistic on the death toll. But see, I am not a statistic. I'm different. I am an anomaly. I change the world around me. I am timeless because I am quickly running out of time. I am screaming not because I'm mad, but because I need you to hear me so we can meet a mutual understanding. Don't misunderstand me. Yes, we have come a long way, but we are still too far behind to be called on even footing. I'm just hoping this poem can bring us closer to seeing eye to eye, evenly.
Thank you for taking time to watch these vignettes. We hope this information leads to discussion and a new point of view on how you can help create communities in your schools, neighborhoods, and friend groups that actively embrace diversity and rectify disparities.